Hello, my friends. Welcome, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I know this is a weird week for you, but I'm so happy that you've joined me here online. I'm sorry I missed our time with you yesterday, but I hope that today and the rest of this week you will be able to get together with me and we can do some fun things, okay? So today, what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of thinking using the information we've learned about plants. Okay, now I want to tell you about our new friend, Mariana. Now here you can see my entire computer screen, so look at my nose. You can see a cursor moving on my nose, right? That cursor, follow it with me this way. You're going to follow it on our screen. Here is our friend Mariana. Mariana is, I'm going to share with you a little bit about her story. If you follow my cursor this way, look. So on your slide in this picture, there's going to be part of Mariana's story. I'll share more of her story with you later this week, perhaps. Excuse me. But all of her story isn't super important right now. I'm going to give you a little information right now, but what I want you to know is Mariana is going to end up having a problem, okay? She has this really, really interesting plant. So this first video is going to give you a little background information on that plant, okay? But she has this really interesting plant, and what happens is, initially it's growing these really cool berries, and then it stops growing them. And she can't figure out why. So she goes and asks her aunt for help, and her aunt gives her an idea and some things to look out for. And she tells her maybe to pay attention to the insects in her garden. And as Mariana's doing that, she sees maybe insects aren't visiting her plant. Now, we've done a lot of learning about insects and plants lately. And we've learned that that plants need insects. Do you remember why? Think about why plants need insects for a minute. Why is that? So plants need insects in order to pollinate, in order to get the pollen from where it is to where it needs to be. And in this example here, Tia Letty, or Mariana's aunt, says, think of it this way. If you are sitting at the very far edge of a table and can't reach the food, you're going to go hungry. So for Mariana's plant, the insects that are currently living with her can't reach the nectar, the food that's in the flower. So they aren't really wanting to pollinate it because there's no reason to come to the flower. So in order to make Mariana's plant grow fruit again, she has to get creative. She has to do some thinking. That's where you come in. You are going to help Mariana do some thinking, and you're going to help her solve her problem. On today's slide, on Tuesday's slide, I want you to think about how we can help her. Okay? I want you to think about how we can help Mariana help her plant to grow berries again. Do some brainstorming, and there will be more information in tomorrow's video for things we can do. Okay? And there's a video here with these blue words for how we can solve problems. Okay? Do some thinking on your own. Pull together some ideas for what we can do to help Mariana. And we will come back together for some more brainstorming and problem solving, okay? Let me know what you come up with. I'm so excited to hear from you. Goodbye, everyone.